I'd like to tell you a story that moved me. I'll read it to you and you can look at that view from Cochem in the Mosel Valley of Germany. It came in the comments, and it's Michelle. Has anybody ever heard a story about a man who wanted to go camping for the last time because he just wanted to end his life someplace that was peaceful? But every morning he would get up, there would be a hummingbird blocking him and stopping him right in front of his tent. The little hummingbird stayed with him all day. Anytime he was going to end his life, the bird showed up. Like, "Hey, what are you doing?" The bird stayed with him the whole weekend. He was so delighted that he came to his senses. He said that it was such a huge sign he couldn't deny it. He said that the hummingbird brought him to a peaceful feeling and also a feeling of being loved. He says he goes camping every year and doesn't think about suicide anymore. Thank you so much, Michelle.